Check out DWISS new model, the M3. It's an evolution of the model M1 launched in 2011 and M2 launched in 2016 and have the unique displaced hours. It uses an ETA 2824 movement, sapphire crystal and a screw down crown. So how the displaced hour works? Since the hours takes longest to pass, they are displayed in the longest circumference of the dial. So the dial is 10 and 11 minutes. 10:45, 11, and the date is here. So you see it's 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. The case is made in Switzerland. It's a 316L stainless steel case. The dial have Superluminova BGW9. It's available in blue, in white, and in black. And it have an easy interchangeable strap mechanism. I will show you how to change the straps. This is the black version with a rubber strap, butterfly buckle, and you can easily change the strap like this. And this is the version you can put different leather straps or metal bracelet. It's a 3-link stainless steel metal bracelet. And check out DWISS.com to see more. Subscribe in our channel if you want to see more about DWISS. And check out the new model, the M3. Thank you for watching.